of SEIZEI. The grammar of SEIZEI is mean that at the most or at best or to the at most. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of SEIZEI, that means you can use with the noun and the verb. When you use the noun, you can use the period of time, right? And when you use the SEIZEI, that means you should begin SEIZEI and after that followed by some verb or some noun that you want to use. But actually for the noun you can use the period of time actually they use in that situation or in that case. And it has the meaning that at the most or at best, something like this. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of SEIZEI, the next we are going to see some example together. In here, our first example is say, SEIZEI gambaro ne. SEIZEI gambaro ne. Which means, let's give it our all. Let's give it our all. The next example, せいぜい楽しんでいってください。せいぜい楽しんでいってください。Which means enjoy yourself to the fullest. Enjoy yourself to the fullest. Let's consider the first sentence. The first sentence is say, せいぜい頑張ろうね. This means let's give it all out. Gambaro is mean try hard, right? Try hard to work or try hard to do something. But you could say that means you do your best to try something. Or you put all of your energy, all of your ability to, all of your capacity to manage something. So that means you pay attention. You pay everything for you have your energy, your strategy. So put everything all of you to do something. So in Japanese say せいぜい頑張ろうね. Right. And for the second sentence we see that they say せいぜい楽しんでいてください。楽しんでいってください. If we say 楽しんでいってください, which means you go there and enjoy. Please go there and enjoy a lot of, right? But you put せいぜい楽しんで, that means enjoy yourself to the fullest. That means you please enjoy everything about yourself. Enjoy about everything yourself, right? Try to enjoy yourself for everything you can, everything you could do, something like this. That means when you put say that means you should whatever you do or whatever you do, you should put everything you can, put everything from yourself to something. Let's see next example. 彼はせいぜい30歳ぐらいだ。彼はせいぜい30歳ぐらいだ。That means he is 30 years old at most. He is 30 years old at most. This sentence had the meaning that when you look at somebody and you just notice or you just consider from your opinion that that person, the age of that person is about something. In this case, they say about 30 years old for somebody. So when you estimate from your eyes and from your idea, so you just say this person, the highest age is 30, right? Not over 30. So you can say せいぜい30歳ぐらいだ。せいぜい30歳ぐらいだ. That means it's about 30 years old, not over, something like this. In this case, it had the meaning like this. Let's see the next example. せいぜい頑張って練習しなさい。せいぜい頑張って練習しなさい。That means practice as hard as you can. せいぜい頑張って練習しなさい。Practice as hard as you can. Right. You just say 頑張って練習しなさい. That means you try hard to training something. Try hard to 練習 is mean training, practice, right? So that means you try hard to practice, try hard to training. But when you put say that means you should put all of your mind, you should pay attention from your heart to practice, to training, right? So do as hard as you can. So say that is had a meaning that at most or something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of say that. So when you use say that means you put almost everything from yourself to do something. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese grammar in the next video clip. Thank you very much again. ありがとうございました。バイバイ。